Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and this is my morning market analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the US dollar index, I mean, we're still in my little zone right here that I have marked out, which this could end up still being an big area of support. If this really is a way B, which we don't really have a lot of evidence yet that it really is, then it still could end up turning up and turning into a much larger uptrend, eventually looking something like this. So we are keeping an eye out for that. But as of right now, the trend is down based on structure because we have lower highs, and the trend is also down based on momentum because the candles themselves are making lower lows, lower highs. So the daily trend is down on the momentum and the structure side. So we are definitely still primarily looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, even on the 1 hour time frame, we do not have a break of structure yet. The 1 hour time frame structure is right here. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because if this keeps drifting down, then these green Fibonacci levels could act as areas of support. And if it does find support at one of these fib levels and then breaks to the upside, goes up and breaks structure, then maybe that would help us see that the higher time frames really are, ending a wave B and really are turning into a new uptrend. But the problem is there's really no evidence of that yet. And this very easily could just keep on drifting down and it could go down and make a new low and it could find support at the next Fibonacci level on the daily time frame. So the trend is very much still down. My job as a trader is not to identify the end of a daily time frame move. My job as a trader is to continue to trade with the trend until the market tells me that the move is over by giving us a big engulfing up on the daily or preferably a nice break of structure on like the maybe 4 hour to 1 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.